Hey everyone, Tyler Treat here today with Primetime Manufacturing, and today I get to show you guys around our 2023 3802WB Sanibel. Let's go check it out. Now that we're in the interior of the coach, let's check out how much space we have in here. The Sanibel is a wide body, meaning it's 100 inches wide compared to your standard 96-inch wide fifth wheel. So you get 4 inches of extra space throughout the entire coach. And something that makes this floor plan really cool is the front living room here. You have your Easy Glide sofas where you can just pull these right out, form both of these into beds. You got about a foot of wall space in between to put them back, lift it, click it, and push it. It's easy. Easy setup, easy tear down for the kids or any guests that are going to use it. Right here you have all solid wood cabinetry, a lot of storage space on both sides of the TVs. And underneath here, you have a 50-inch LED TV on a televator. Right beneath that, you have your Furion soundbar with 2 zones. You have the inside zone and outside zone, play one or both. Then right underneath, you have your 5100 B2 electric fireplace, 3 ambient lightings, and this actually does kick off quite a bit of heat. So if it's chilly, turn this on. It's going to blow enough heat to warm you up. And right across from your entertainment area, you have your dual reclining seats, LED cup holders, and USB ports. Charge your phone, kick back, watch your favorite shows, the game. All doable, and a lot of seating in here for everybody to enjoy their TV or hang out. As we move down here, you'll see you have nice kitchen appliances. Right here you have your 24-inch Insignia range, 4 top burner, and right underneath there you have your 3.73 cubic foot oven. So again, with all those guests that you might be having, you'll be able to cook a home cooked meal right in here. Right above your oven, you have your 30-inch microwave. A lot of cool modes. There's a kids mode, power savings mode. So just a lot of options with that. Then right next to the kitchen appliances is your 12-volt 16-cube reefer. And we went with the 12-volt this year because on the roof, we have a 190-watt solar panel, which is standard, prep for a second unit. And off that 190-watt trickle charging your battery, you'll be able to run this reefer indefinitely. Then right behind me here, you have your nice half bath. Guests aren't walking or kids aren't walking back through your main bedroom to use the restroom. They have it all right in here. A really nice porcelain bowl and more storage as well. Then across from your kitchen appliances, you have your legless dinette, 4 seats, a lot of space underneath. You're not hitting anything underneath the dinette table. So you can actually sit down, enjoy your dinner, play your cards, and not worry about having too little of space. Then also this slide is actually 6 foot 5 inches tall. So for the taller people, you're not going to be hitting your head. Me, not possible, right? Moving on back here, you have your thermostat on this wall right here. You have 2 thermostats for this unit with your dual Whistler Quiet Cool AC units. You have a 15K back here and a 13.5K unit up front. Racetrack ducting means it's in a big racetrack, and all those circular vents on the roof back here, that's your air drop down. Then right up here, back here, and in the front, you'll have your air intakes where the air is going back to the ACs to cool down, then being circulated back throughout the entire coach. Now that we're in the bedroom here, you'll notice you have your east to west king size bed, 30-inch bed slice, so you do get a lot of space to maneuver around in here. Outlets on both sides. You also have bedside tables on both sides of your bed, so you can put your phones, your cups of water, anything like that. Then if you look on this wall, a lot of storage for clothing or anything you need. You have your overhead cabinetry here, nice dresser. Then you have your wardrobe with your dual sliding mirrors. Then as you'll see on here, here's your second thermostat for your AC units. Right next to that, another really big closet. And this closet is actually washer dry stackable prep, so you could get a stackable unit in this coach. Then in the bathroom here, you have your porcelain lav, dual vanity sink. So a lot of space in here, a lot of cabinetry above and beneath, a lot of storage right here next to that. Then you have your shower. This is your king size shower. With it being a king size shower with that wide body, you get more width. Then you also have the moonlight above for more head space. So a lot of space in this bathroom and your bedroom and really throughout this entire coach with that front living. Now since we checked out the interior, let's check out the exterior here. You have your high gloss gel coat on the Sanibel, which is going to help longevity, help that fading. You have your automotive grade painted front cap with also with your high gloss gel coating, help your cracks, spider cracks, anything like that. Then in here, something that Primetime we really pride ourselves on is how we build our units, right? So the Sanibel has the turn-a-bond construction. So if you peek up in here, you'll actually see your 2-inch aluminum cage frame with your radiant shield technology. It's going to help your installation. But also on your frame, you have full welds wherever aluminum meets aluminum. And that's on both sides, so it really helps out right there. Also in your unobstructed passenger storage, it's heated. You also have all your hookups right here, your outlets, TV hookups, USB ports. Then you'll notice a little monitor up here as well. That's your tire pressure monitoring system, which is going to give you a temperature and a pressure for your tires. You have a 3.5-inch screen for your truck cap, so it gives you guys the peace of mind while you're driving down the road, so you won't have any blowouts, anything like that. To touch base on the turn-a-bond construction again, you'll have 2-inch black foam throughout your entire coach besides your roof. So your slide outs, your boxes here, you have 2-inch black foam in here, and you have 2-inch black foam in your rear wall as well, so high insulation as well. Then also on the Sanibel, you have 6-point leveling, auto level memory hitch, so it's going to level itself, then go back up to that hitch height when you're ready to pack up and hook up to your truck again, which makes it really easy for all you. Also, another cool little feature we add on is a Lippert solid step. You have your 13-inch top step, so it gives you that durability when you're walking up the step with the XL grab handle. Not going to lose your balance or anything while going up the stairs. Then what you'll notice as well is how many windows we do put on the Sanibel. A lot of natural sunlight, and you can actually open these windows up so you do get actual airflow coming in through your coach when you're on a nice day. It's a little breezy out, open your windows up, get some nice fresh air in your coach. Again, my name is Tyler Treat with Primetime Manufacturing, and thank you for checking out the Sanibel 3802WB with me today. If you have any questions, please visit primetimerv.com, and happy camping.